All Doc here with another video. Today, I'm going to be doing a review on some leftover flavors of my Warhead container. I only have 3 left: watermelon, blue raspberry, and apple. I'm gonna open the curtain real fast. That's better. Anyways, 3 flavors. Gonna start with watermelon. Okay, we got this. Let's Oh boy. Yeah, we better see if I can get sour. It's a good flavor though. I like it. Alright, next I'm gonna do blue raspberry. Wait, hold on. First I need a watermelon. Probably a 8 out of 10. Okay, Warheads. Blue raspberry. Oh boy. This is one of the challenge packs that come with 2. Look at this. So pop the smaller one in first, that way, and beat risks at the end of the bigger one at the end of the video. So we got smaller blue raspberry. Yeah, it's very blue. Actually, you know what? Our blue raspberry.
I know, buddy. I've been super busy. Yeah. My phone was usually inside while we were outside digging up the garden and getting stuff done. I can't tell you too much, but she's okay. It's not my story to tell, but she's okay. Alright? And she knows.
I like it.
I talked to her yesterday. Let's just say she knows she's okay.
Personally, a little more than watermelon, but not the best either. I'll give it a 9. I know I'm probably triggering y'all by chewing on them at the end, but I'm trying to make a video here. Okay. Green apple. Well, no, not green. It's just apple. That's what it's called. Okay, as y'all can tell, this is very green. Looks like it's edible. Let's pop it in.
How about 8 in the morning? How about Marcy's picked you up and you get your food?
Okay, that's like my least favorite of those three. But it's also good. I'll give it a 6.5. I'm gonna make sure I don't have any other flavors. Alright, so y'all can tell that's the empty package. All I got are 4 watermelons. 1, 2, 4 watermelons. And an apple. And apple. So I'm gonna rate the other flavors, so not gonna eat them on obviously not gonna eat them on camera because I don't have them, but I've had them. I had them the other day. Black cherry, I love that shit. 10 out of 10. And lemon, I think that's easily like the worst flavor. I'll give it like a 5 out of 10. Also, I want to do one other review in this. Do like a bit of a double video. Double bubble. Yeah. I popped the lid. Yeah. Let me pop up my phone again. Okay. Here's this fucking yummy pink thing of deliciousness. And it's gonna go in my mouth.
If you download the Roku app, by the way, and you download the Roku app and use the Netflix login, or like the J901 exclamation point, to log into Roku, you can use your phone for the remote TV. Because I hear the anime, so I figure that's what you can watch on your phone if you want to hear your screen.
Now this is bubblegum I would try a blow a bubble, but I literally can't. That little cut, my mom came in. But I like I would give it like a 8.5. Alright. Bye-bye.